Hello everyone. Welcome back to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall apps on your Windows 10 operating system. Whether you're freeing up space or removing unwanted programs, this step-by-step guide will help you do it with ease. So, let's dive right in. Alright, let's say you have an app installed on your Windows 10 operating system that you want to uninstall. For this example, I'll be showing you how to uninstall the CapCut app, but you can follow the same steps for any other app as well. First things, go to your search bar at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type in remove and you will see several options pop up. The option you are looking for is add or remove programs. Just click on this option that says add or remove programs. This will open up a new window where you can see all the applications installed on your Windows 10 operating system. In this window, you'll notice a list of all the apps that are currently installed on your system. You can scroll through the list to find the app you want to uninstall. Since I want to uninstall CapCut, I'll scroll down until I find it. Once you find the app you want to uninstall, click on it. This will expand the selection and you'll see an uninstall button appear. Click on the uninstall button. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to uninstall the app. Go ahead and click uninstall again to confirm. Now, Windows will begin the uninstallation process. If the app has its own uninstaller program, like CapCut does, it will launch that program. Follow the prompts provided by the uninstaller. You might be asked to confirm the uninstallation one more time. Click Yes to proceed. The uninstaller will then remove all the files associated with the app from your system. This might take a few moments, so be patient. Once the uninstallation is complete, you'll receive a notification or the uninstaller window will close automatically. You can now close the Add or Remove Programs window. And that's it. You can see that the CapCut is no longer listed among the installed programs. This means the app has been successfully uninstalled from your Windows 10 operating system. So, this is how you can uninstall any other app on your Windows 10 operating system. This method is quick and straightforward, ensuring that you can easily manage the apps on your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.